Hi everybody, it's Dr. Rehse again. I'm here with another video. This time I'm here to show you how you're going to access the homework I'll be assigning and then how you're going to upload that homework for me to be grading. Of course, it's all going to be done through Blackboard and it's going to be done through the assignments feature in Blackboard. So when I release a homework, that'll typically be at the end of a lecture. You're going to go to your Blackboard homepage. Your homepage should look something like this. It probably doesn't have the student preview mode bar at the top. That's a view that the instructors get. But all the homework is going to be posted in this toolbar on the left under your resources. So go to that resources tab and then everything's going to be in the homework folder. So open up the folder and everything is going to be appearing here. Now, we don't see anything right now because those homework assignments are not going to be visible to you until after I assign them. So typically I'll program this to have it visible right at 5:20 when our lecture is over, and then it'll disappear at the due date, which we'll discuss in class, but usually will be the next class period. But for now, I put something in there called example homework. This is just to show you how you're going to be doing this. So pretend example homework is this thing that we have assigned today, and you have until the next class period to do it. So here it is. It's got this funky little icon, so you know it's not a document. It's actually an assignment with a pencil and a ruler here. It's got a link. You don't want to click on that just yet. If you want to look at it, you click on the attached files. This says homework 2, chapter 3. Yours will say something different. Let's click on that. That'll open up a PDF document of the actual homework assignment. Of course, you're free to download this, print it out, shove it in your book, do whatever you want with it. It's just a PDF document. You don't do any work in that document at all right? It's just for your reference. It'll be assigning the homework questions that I'm giving to you. So you've got these questions. Then you're going to have to do some work. So I'm going to give you instructions in a different place on how to do homework electronically. Probably you're going to have to write these things out by hand. It's a lot of math, equations and things to solve, but however you can manage it, you've got to convert that into a digital PDF, all right? And I'll be giving you various options on how to do that. So for example, here is an example of some work I was doing. So let's pretend that these are your solutions. I asked you to do problems 2.6 and 2.7. So you wrote out the answer with your pencil, that's fine. You've scanned it in electronically somehow, fine. You've made a PDF. So here's this document, the scan of work document that we're wanting to upload. All right, so I'm done. I'm ready to turn it in. So how do I do that? So go back to your Blackboard site. Now you can click on this example homework. All right, the points possible here are 0, but this will tell you for the real assignments how many points are going to be possible, and you're going to want to browse the computer for the copyright cleared file. That'll be the thing that you turn in. All right, so I'm going to turn in something like, oh geez, I don't know. You have to browse to it. Let's see if I can find it. Yeah, there it was, the scan of the work on the Adobe scan. So I'll open that up. In it goes. It's got a link to the title. It's in there. At that point, it should be ready to go and upload to me. You can write some comments. Gee, Dr. Rehse, why was that so easy? Something like that. Or you can say, I seem to have some problems with the scan on page 2. Just comments that you might want me to see. Probably that'll be left blank. You don't have to type anything there. It would just be something that you're trying to get to me. All right, so that's all in there. This file's attached. I have to move my little screen of me right there so you see what I'm hitting. And when you're ready, you can submit that assignment. So you just hit submit. It's uploading. There you go. It is now uploaded. See this purple bar? You have to get this. Your submission appears on this page. You've got a confirmation number. Copy and save this number as proof of your submission. And you can see that it was submitted. This was the first and only attempt that I'm giving, and it's right there. So now when I grade it, I'll be able to grade it on electronically. Your grade will appear right here after I grade it. And then I'll be able to also return any comments that I have right through this site. And then the grade that I give you will appear in the grade book as well. So that's how we're going to be working with assignments. They'll be visible as I release them. So like I said, don't worry about releasing them. Maybe I'll leave an example up there just for you to play with, but there should be plenty of time to get these things figured out. But make sure you don't leave this to the very last minute to do figure out how to do it, and then upload your results, because I am going to have a hard cutoff of the start of class on the day that they're due. And this is Blackboard's going to be running it. So when it shuts it off, that's it. It'll be late after that. So don't leave it to the last 10 minutes to upload. All right. So I hope that was clear enough. Of course, if you have any questions, we'll be able to talk about it in the virtual classroom. You can shoot me off a quick email, but probably best for us to meet somehow electronically so I can actually see now the screen that you're working on. So some way for you to share your screen with me would be really good. So I hope that was helpful. Look forward to seeing you in class, and good luck with your homework. All right, bye.